Bibili ako ng bago. I'll buy a new one. Bakit tuminto ka? Why did you stop? Hindi ko pa alam. I don't know yet. Ipaalala mo sa akin mamaya. Remind me later. Wala akong panahon para magpaliwanag. I don't have time to explain. Hihintayin ko ang tawag mo. I will wait for your call. Hihintayin mo ba ako? Will you wait for me? Hihintayin na lang kita. I'll just wait for you. Hindi na ako makapaghintay na makita kang muli. I can't wait to see you again. Hayaan mong tulungan kita. Let me help you. Paano ka nakakasiguro? How can you be so sure? May mapagpipilian ba ako? Do I have a choice?